Welcome to this demonstration of Thales CRM, powered by Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2015 Update 1. Microsoft Dynamics CRM now has over 4 million users, 40,000 plus firms. It can be deployed in just a few days to deliver a centralized, firm-wide database of contacts to support effective lead, prospect, opportunity and activity management. So here we're looking at the Microsoft Outlook client with our new CRM menu. It is here that we can create new CRM activities and add new CRM records, both manually and imported from GCRM. We can also track and relate activities, meeting invites or emails, with set regarding to specific CRM records. One of the big benefits of Thales CRM is the ability to provide a familiar experience to our users, and that is Microsoft Outlook, the same system we use every day for sending emails, creating contacts, scheduling appointments, and managing tasks. Thales CRM can also be accessed via a web browser, together with our choice of mobile device, phone or tablet. Changing screens for a moment, you can see here how the web client looks, complete with Thales logo and corporate colours. Clicking on the main menu allows me to select sales together with our accounts view. Clicking the account name opens a record in the web client. Likewise, if I click the service work area, we can see the variety of functions available. Similarly, if I click on marketing, we can see the range of options including analytics, email marketing, mobile, and event management. Back in Outlook, now you can see that there are several Thales specific dashboards, each containing several tailored charts and views. As data is entered into the system, these dashboards come to life dynamically with drill down as required. By way of example, we can click on our pipeline chart, enlarge the chart, or view the records used to generate the chart. We can then open individual records if necessary. So for this demonstration we have a few scenarios to take you through. The first of these involves you attending an industry conference or meeting and you would like to see what information the firm has on some of the companies or contacts that are attending, their positions and if known to anyone else at Thales. This scenario aims to demonstrate how to search for contacts, explore existing relationships and profiles to build up information ahead of meeting a client. To do this, we will start looking up, searching the names and other available information and review their details. You will see from my favourites here that I have accounts, contacts, leads, prospects and opportunities listed. Essentially you can add any folder as a favourite. This can be a search folder, an RSS feed, a calendar, a Thales CRM folder, or anything else within the Outlook folder structure. This avoids wasting time on searching or jumping around to find the right information. You will also notice here in my Outlook mail that I have Thales CRM as a folder that I can expand or collapse as required. Depending on your security role and how you use Thales CRM, you'll see options for marketing and service management. As they say, one platform, many applications. It really is just a matter of clicking the relevant folder item to display its contents. For example, from my favourite folders, I can click on Accounts to see all account records. I can click on Contacts for all contact records, Leads for any potential new customers, together with Prospects for any pre-qualified opportunities. The opportunity records are those ones imported from GCRM. It is worth noting that these GCRM imported records reside in a separate database table with options for read-only status where required. To search for an existing account record, we click on Accounts to see a complete list and type a few characters of the company name and press Enter or click Search. We can also use the asterisk as a wildcard for partial searches. We can now open the record we want to view by double-clicking. When we open the account record, we will see the page is divided into sections that we can navigate using the section selector. Like all these records, we can add additional sections and fields as required. Scrolling through the page, you will see at a glance contacts, any notes and activities, prospects and other details. There are also social insights powered by Inside View. This aggregates various news sources, social media and networks for real-time updates on company changes. We can navigate within the window to access information about people, buzz, and any news. A single click within the People pane takes us to view LinkedIn connections. Demonstrating the power of this Microsoft CRM Inside View integration, we can click the Sync button to synchronize the details of our CRM account record together with insights. From the Related Folders navigation, we can access additional details when needed. This can include a complete history of activities, social profiles, contacts, connections, audit history and more. The next scenario involves having attended a conference or networking event. We've collected some business cards that we'd like to add to the Thales CRM system. This scenario aims to establish how to check the database to see If the contact is already known to the firm, add new contacts from business cards, add yourself as a known contact and add the contacts to a firm event list. We will then update existing details or add new details of the contact. To do this, we first check the system for a contact. To search for an existing contact record, we click on Contacts and type a few characters of the contact name and press Enter or Start Search. Typing Jim will display a list of contact records. To open the record, we just double click. When we open the contact record, we will see the record is again divided into sections that we can navigate using the section selector. Connections is a popular one, showing the relationship between different records and their roles. These are quickly and easily configured for specific requirements. Scrolling through the form, you will see at a glance notes and activities. Also other details. There is a related set of folders we can access for marketing, sales and service. An important feature is the Share Contact. As its name suggests, this allows us to share the record with another user or team, assigning appropriate permissions for read, write, append and so on. So now, after bumping into an old client, you found out that good prospects are emerging in new areas of their business. This scenario aims to establish how to record activities so we can share opportunities and general activity information on our firm contacts with colleagues, as well as aid cross-sell opportunities to others. At the same time, setting reminders so that you and your team can manage meetings and action points generally. Microsoft Dynamics CRM activities are used to record a specific type of communication, as well as the subject, time and details of that communication. Activities are actions such as emails, phone calls, meetings, etc., represented by the icons here on the left-hand side. Using activities helps you and your team, business unit or the entire organisation understand all of the communication your organisation has had with each customer or prospective customer. Activities should be used by every user that has external relationships and communications. This My Activities view here should act as your daily to-do list. You can create search queries, views and reports to track activities by customer or activity type. By utilising activities, you are ensuring that all communication with customers can be found later. When we want to record that we have met with Jim by adding an activity record, the way that we do this is to open Jim's activity record. I will do this using the recently visited list. This opens Jim's activity record, where we can see latest posts, any notes, including activities, as well as attachments. Before ending the demonstration, you will see reference to search in my menu ribbon bar. This is a very powerful tool and arguably the only button I need to find anything in our firm-wide CRM system. Typing the word fourth displays all records that match the criteria, not just accounts and contacts, but lead records as well. This ends this short demonstration. Thank you for watching.